Hello guys, what's up? We are going to do a cartoon. We are going to make a cartoon out of this picture right here. What we are going to do, we are going to let me zoom in a little bit. So we are seeing this beautiful cartoon right here. So what we're going to do, we are going to create something right here. The same thing, we are going to do the same thing. We need to create a cartoon on this. So I want to show you how you can make a cartoon on Photoshop. So this is Photoshop cs4. So let's just get into business. So simply come to the right side right here. You can see this lock. So just double click on it and then create a layer 0 just like that. So now we have layer 0. So the next move is simply, so you have to follow closely. So this is what we're gonna do. Let me zoom in. Okay, so we are going we are going to create a circle on this thing. Let me simply bring in this. Okay, so or we can simply bring in a ellipse, this one. So let's me draw it like this. Okay, so we are going to put it here. So just remember, so we need to balance it correctly. Okay, just a little bit here, just like that. We need to leave a space because we are going to do something there. So we are going to change the color of this one. To change the color, simply click it. Okay, so the color of the body is this one right here. So just like that. So this is the one that we have right now, so which is the head. So let's just put it there. On this thing, the next move is simply to come right here, and we are going to put to reduce this, okay, the opacity of this picture. So this is number 1. So okay, there we have it. So the next move is to come here. We are going to use this pen tool by simply pressing P on your keyboard, okay, as such. So here what we're going to do, we are going to draw this. Okay, so I will just simply make a simple way of tracing the line. So just simply press P on your keyboard and do this. Okay, we are going simply to do this. We are simply making a simple thing. Okay, so nothing hard. So there, so let me zoom. Okay, just like that, a little bit there. So P. Okay, so you are seeing that. Okay, so you can trace the line, so just depending on how you want it. Okay, so we are going to make sure that we follow the line correctly. So this is what we are doing. I think you are seeing this. Okay, just symbolize that. So we are simply creating an air right now. Okay, so let's me do this. Okay, something like that. We are gonna simply do simple things. Okay, so Z, let me fit it on the screen just like that in order for you to see it clearly. Okay, so press P, and then we are going to do the same things again just like that. Okay, so I can speed it up, but I don't want to so just simply watch. So you can do this. Okay, and then next move is simply following all this line. So remember, we are trying to follow this line right here. So there. Okay, so we are tracing out. I'm not gonna do complication stuff. I will simply show you guys how to do it easily. Okay, so even if it is not gonna be the right way to do this, so I think we are gonna make a big impact on this. So let's fit it on the screen here. So P, and then okay, click there. So Control and Enter on the keyboard, just simple to select the area. You can see that. So the next move is to come here into the color. You can see here at the left, at the right bottom of your screen right here, you can simply click this and then go to solid color. Okay, so this is hair, so we are going to simply pick a black color just like that. You can put it to any color that you want, so let's put it to black color just like that. Okay, then press OK. Now we can rename it because it will help us later here. And this one right here, we can call it head. Okay, so something like that. So now we are done with the hair and heads. The next move is to create the eye. You see this eye. Okay, so we are going to do that. So here, let me put it a little bit right here, pressing P. I'm going to simply trace the line. Okay, so okay, just watch. Okay, so we are going to simply follow the line correctly, so just like that. You can even do it better. Okay, because for me right now, I'm simply trying to make the easy way. Okay, so just you are simply watching how I do that. So it's very simple, as you can see that. So do not worry. So simply try to follow the line. Okay, one by one. Okay, there we go. So here we can go there. Okay, so this has like eyebrow something. Okay, control and enter. Okay, and then goes direct again to the color button right here. Click that and go to solid. Okay, so there's the solid. So we are going to change the color of this by simply clicking somewhere here, because if you click somewhere here, it will look okay just like that. Let's simply imagine that is the hair. We can make it black or whatever color that we want, but let's do it a little bit just like that. So press OK. Here we are going to call it a eyebrow or something like that. So now on this one, okay, eyebrow or something like that. Okay, okay, let's just leave it the way it is. So now we have let me put it let me fit the screen. Now we have the eye right here. So what we're going to do, we are not going to trace these things again. Okay, we can simply duplicate that, and to duplicate this, simply right click on this and go to duplication right here, duplicate layers. So we can call it eyebrow. So let's call it left, something like that. If not, okay, so because the first one will be right, let's call it left. Okay, so this one will be right. Okay, let me put it right eyebrow. Okay, so just like that. So we have this left and we have this right. So now what we're gonna do, we are going in this left eyebrow, we are gonna put it there. We can take it like this and we put it here, but the problem is you can see it does not match. So we are going to transform this by simply going to edit, and the edit we are going to use transform, and then goes direct into flip horizontal. We can do vertical, horizontal, or rotate 90 degrees, something like that, or rotate 180. Okay, so we are not going to do that. We are simply have to flip this horizontal. So now we flip it already, so we can simply try to resize it. Okay, let me simply try to do a little bit of rotation there. Okay, a little bit. Okay, yep. Okay, now I think perfect. So we done with that. So the next move is to do this, and what we are going to do right here, we are going to simply come right here to the nose. Okay, we are going to trace again. Okay, simply do that, trace it. Okay, let's follow the line like that. So there we go. Okay, just like that, and control and enter. So we are going simply have to go back again, and we call this thing nose. Okay, this is the same. Okay, let's put it like that. Okay, we're gonna call it nose. Okay, just like that, very simple. Do not worry, because we are taking time, but it will come perfect later. So let's simply do this. We are going to trace this line right here, and like that. So we can simply do do that. Okay, there. So we control and enter, and then we are going to call it mouse right here. Go there, select, and let do this. You can simply click right here because the lips a little bit like pink or something. Okay, now we call it mouse. Let's just call it mouse. Okay, and we need to put a gap there. Let me simply do this. We are going to draw this small things right here, just like that. Okay, so just like that. Control and enter. We are going to call it tongue. Okay, something like that. Let's simply do a little bit pink. Okay, we are going to call it tongue. Okay, tongue. So sorry. Okay, there we go. Now we have everything in place. The remaining part is that we have. Let's simply try to fill the screen. We need to have next, and we need to create this small this stuff right here. We are going to simply go direct into these tools, and we can simply draw. I do not want to waste a lot of time on this, so they just simply put it right there. Okay, okay, still okay. So we can click that and move it. Oh, sorry, we can simply move it like this. Okay, let's move it there. Okay, now we have that. So we are going to change it, to change the color of this thing by simply doing that. Okay, the next move is to duplicate this thing, duplicate the layer, and then okay, it's okay, a little bit like that. So we can put it, we can bring this side. Sorry, if we cannot move it, we are going to use some way. Okay, let's do that. We can simply take it there, just like this. Okay, okay, so there's no way for us to do that, so but we are going to change this. Okay, let's take it there. Okay, okay. Alright, just hold on a little bit. Okay, I'm trying to move this. Control Z, fit on the screen. Let's go back to this one, and we can simply do this, and we can bring it right here. So what we're gonna do, we are going to change it like that. Okay, let me zoom in, fit on the screen, or simply fill in. Okay, and this one right here, we are going to the side. Don't worry, it was because my mouse was not doing it in the right way. Okay, that we have. So that fit on the screen, and then we are going to draw this just neck. Control P. We are going to create this name right here. Okay, all right, so let's simply, okay, sorry, we are going to simply do this. Okay, okay, then we'll do that. Okay, then we are going to create that. Okay, so just like that. Okay, great. Control enter, and we are going to call it body. Okay, solid, and we call it body just like that. We can simply click that. We are going to call it body just like that. So now it seems like we are done. So what is the next move? The next move is to create those lines right here from let's try to take this thing up there. Okay, because if you are willing to create, and and the next move, what I'm going to do right now is by simply doing we are going to simply do the brush tools B, and we are going to increase that. So under this B, we are going to change the color of this, so we can change the color later on. So, and this is not what I want. I need this color right here. Okay, there. Okay, so we have that. So let's reduce that. We can make it a little bit okay. Okay, so simple as that. Okay, you're seeing that we can simply do all these things. Okay, we are simple. You are going to see the effect later because now you cannot see it clearly. Okay, great. Now let's change the color to black. We are going to trace this line and we are going to make it small, so that's like this. So okay, you don't have to worry about that. So we are going to do I just want to follow the line. Okay, just something like that. Okay, so there we go. And now we are going to do this again. We are going to do that again using that is a brush tools. Okay, so let's come down here. We're going to also trace this line right here. Okay, let's go again. Okay, and then these things right here. Okay, good. We have remain with these. Okay, something like that. So if we want to do any other way, like putting others color, okay, so we can simply do this. Okay, just like that. So it does not matter what you put in there. Okay, let me just simply put anyhow any color. Okay, we have just like that. So let's try to remove this and we are going to see that feed on the screen. Okay, there we have. So let's go direct into it. Now we are going to put everything together. Okay, so we have the air. Okay, and we have this we have the high, and we are going to put something here. We have the head, so head you cannot see it, so I'm going to bring in everything right here. So on the head, so we're going to put head up there. Let me put head up there. So now, so we are going to put it down there. Okay, at the end of all this thing. Okay, there we are going to place it right in the right way because we have misplaced it before when we were doing something. Okay, so let's me simply no, control that. We are gonna make sure that we put it in place right here. Okay, so I think you are seeing it, it is coming right there. Okay, there, good. Now we have that. Let me press that and fit on the screen right now, just like that. So we need to do this. Okay, the body should be at the bottom right there, this body right here. Okay, we need to put it below here after this the head. Okay, let's do that. Let's put it down there. So yep, just like that. So now what we are missing is the color, this color right here. Let's simply click it and we can change it to this. Okay, just to make it resemble. And the next move, what we are going to do next is simply, you see this eyebrow right here, let's me go directly into this shin right here. We have this let's me do something about it. Yep, I think it's alright. We are gonna do, okay, let me put a background right here because I want you guys to see this magic happening. So let's put a color, let's put it there. Okay, so still okay guys, hold on. I'm not sure what is happening here. Hold on. We can I think the board is supposed to be up there, that's why things are starting to mess up. Okay, there. Okay, we can simply put any color. Let me put something like that. Okay, that fit on the screen, let's say fit on the screen right now. Okay, I think it looked perfect, and there we go. And thank you guys for watching. This is how you can make a cartoon using Photoshop. So thank you for watching. You can do a lot of stuff with this thing. Instead of this small thing that I put together, you can do a better thing than this one. Okay, so anyway, for watching, thank you, and do not forget please to subscribe to my channel. I really will appreciate that, and it will really help me. So do not forget to do that. Okay, help me out. Do sharing, comment, and do anything. Okay, so thank you. This is how you can be able to create a cartoon. So the next thing is the other tip is to save it. Okay, you can save it and use it later. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.